How to update iPhone X on iOS 17.3. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to update iPhone X on iOS 17. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection. Now, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Apple Beta Software Program. In the interface that you will be led to, go ahead and tap on the first link you see there, that is beta.apple.com. Now scroll down until you see the sign in option and tap on that. You will be asked to enter your Face ID, so tap on the continue button and further enter your Face ID. You will then be led to the terms and conditions, so go through it briefly and tap on the agree button. Now under get started, you will see the hyperlink for enroll your iOS device. Tap on that. Now in the interface that you will be led to, scroll down and tap on the open beta updates button. You will now see the beta version in your iPhone, so go ahead and tap on either public beta or developer beta and you will get the update in your device. So go ahead and tap on the update now button, and this is how you can update iPhone X on iOS 17. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.